Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to make toast without a toaster. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. If you want to take bread and turn it into toast, and you don't have a toaster, all that you need is a pan and a stove. As you can see right here, I have this pan, and it's on the stove, and it's turned to like a low-medium heat. What you want to do is take your toast bread, take your bread, place it down on the pan, okay? Now, I'm going to just move this to the side and get a plate for when it's ready as I explain it. While it's heating up, I'll tell you exactly what's happening here. So basically, all that a toaster does is take heat and apply that heat to the sides of the toast. Now, in a toaster, it does it on both sides at once, okay? Both sides of the bread at once. In a pan, we don't have that luxury. So what we're doing is we're taking the toast and we're essentially going to toast it based on the heat of the pan. Now, there are two ways to do this. You can do it on low heat, or you can do it on like a medium heat. With a low heat, it will take longer, but more of the inside of the bread is going to be cooked, is going to be toasted, okay? Whereas with a medium heat, it's going to be a bit faster, but you're going to get mostly the outside of the bread toasting. Now, I will tell you already, if you can hear this, I don't know if you can hear this, but it's already toasting. So believe it or not, depending on the strength of the pan and the level of toastedness or toasterity that you're looking for, then that's definitely something that you have to consider. It won't take that long. Okay, so we're only like, what, just a minute and a half roughly into this video, and already I can tell you that, listen to that, we're starting to toast, okay? So what we're going to do is I'm going to leave this for just a little bit longer. Then I'm going to take my spatula, we're going to flip it over. Now what I like to do is I like to make sure that I'm getting both sides just a little bit toasted first. This way you get an even level of toastedness on both sides. And then I like to crispen it to the level that I want. So what I like to do is now at this point, okay, I'm going to take this, I'm going to flip it over just like that, okay? You hear that? You know what that means? That's toasted, baby. That's toasted. So now at this point, we're going to start toasting the other side, and then we can decide what level of toastedness we want. Now, I do want to tell you, do not do this on high heat, because if you do this on high heat, they will get so toasted so quickly. You do not want to do that. So medium heat is the highest that I would go. And as you can see right here, like I'm on like a level 5 basically, okay? And this is a type of burner where it's got like 3 levels, so I'm on the widest version of it at like a halfway point. That's medium. You can do it at low heat, like I said. However, it will take a bit longer and more of the inside will be toasted. For myself, when it comes to toastedness of bread, I like more of the outside to be toasted. Okay, you can move it around a little bit like this. Now, I would not recommend, do not butter the pan or oil the pan, okay? Or butter the toast or anything like that. Do not use any sort of butter or oil because you're gonna get a really toasted slice of bread really quickly, and it's likely to end up being like really charred on the outside. And that's probably not what you want. I'm sure you just want a little bit of a toastedness. So I'm going to take it, we're going to flip it over one more time. Look at that! Look at the boom, baby! Oh, I love it when I do this. You know, I have a toaster, but I like doing this. So I end up doing this more often than using the toaster. So I'm going to leave it maybe another 30 seconds-ish on the other side. And that's going to get it to the level of toastedness that I want, okay? Just like that. So keep it moving a little bit. You know, make sure you are paying attention. And don't be afraid to flip it to see what's going on. It's like I can flip it to see what's going on. There we go. That one's good to go. That one's good to go. Now what we're going to do, get our plate. We're going to plate this just like that. Turn that off and show you what it looks like. As you can see right there, that's what it looks like. And sorry about that. That little puff of steam was from underneath the pan because I got to clean the stove. But that's it. As you can see, that is how to make toast without a toaster. It's actually really simple. It's a delicious version of toast. If you have bread and you want to toast it up and you don't have a toaster, that's the way to do it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.